He said that we know that prophets of God, they cannot disobey the commands of God. So how can you justify and explain the case of Hadith Adam when Allah Almighty has told him not to approach that forbidden tree?
You see, there is a verse in the Holy Quran about Hadith Adam, وَلَمْ نَجِدْ لَهُ أَزْمَةً. Most often, these old ulamas mistranslate it. It means that he had no intention to sin. So anything like La tu'akhizna in nasina or akhtana, this applies to Hazrat Adam as well. He did it by mistake. And then Allah told him those kalimat with which he could beg Allah's pardon, and He pardoned him whatever khata was. So he can't be called a Nasi at all, in any sense of the word. You understand the point? Yes?
Yes.
Salam.
You see, this first proves the excellence of Ahmediyya translation over all other mullahs' translations. Because they translated as, we did not find any willpower in him. He had no willpower. Whoever wanted to take him away, so he could. This is why they say that he actually bowed to the will of the shaitan, which he never did.